Welcome to DJ TV.
Rufai don change am for Nigerian police unto wey dey take fall their hands during elections.
Correct people, we greet una, welcome una to this our channel DJ TV, where ogbonge tori and update dey happen o. My people, if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una no waste time again o, make una rush now, make una go subscribe o, and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime we drop any update like this, una go dey notified gbanga. And our Facebook page, make una follow us and make una like. My people, make we quickly run enter the tori and updates wey we carry come for una this time around. Make una watch.
My people, una know dis journalist wey dey call Rufai of Arise News. He na somebody wey dey fearless and he dey always talk the truth the way matter take be. Right now he don change and follow Nigerian police no be small also wey dey take talk say police go punish electoral offenders. Make I talk that part again. Say police go go punish and dem go dey in charge to carry out persecutions on any electoral offenders. Na im Rufai take vex like this which police? Whether na the same police wey be say dey watch thugs dey snatch ballot boxes during elections, whether na those same police dey say dem wan dey punish electoral offenders, because dem sef na electoral offenders. My people, I no wan talk too much, make I play una this video now, make una hear wetin Rufai talk. Una know as e dey talk. Anyway, make una watch, we dey come.
To build a country, we tell ourselves the truth. The first question I'd like to ask INEC, because INEC has finished his deposition in court now. They finished his defense. They finished their defense. What happened as regards the glitch? Is it also part of their review? After the defense, we did not even see. So now I'm as confused as the first time they talked about the computer glitch. Because after the defense, I have not seen anywhere the real reason for the glitch was talked about and where it was enunciated a technical report on the glitch. Secondly, INEC said the police sent forward 215. What you laugh? Same police that a police chief was coming to defend somebody that made a very, very incendiary statement. Same police chief defending him on live TV. So is it the police that wants to help prosecute electoral offenders? Did you also see the part of the report that said the police watched on as ballot boxes were snatched? Didn't we see on live TV that day, and I came and I challenged the police here? Was it in Lekki or around that area, Ekate, where people were taking ballot and the police officer was just looking, and the police spokesperson said it was just one officer, he couldn't challenge them in return? Didn't we see how police officers were taking ballot boxes away in rivers? Didn't you see the video?
Absolutely.
So it's the same police that want to give electoral offenders to INEC to prosecute. We are joking. And why do lawyers even have to prosecute pro bono? Can't INEC put some money aside for its own litigation in its budget every year? How is he spending his own money for litigation? You see, the reason why we talk about election review and nothing happens is because personal interest is more than institutional interest. It's as simple as that. And it's not today we've been hearing about cases like this. As long as you have a personal interest that overrides institutional interest, our institutions become suspect and they're easily swayed. And that's why to defend our institutions become problematic. If we want to make elections work, the day the key stakeholders in Nigeria decide to have free and fair elections, we'll have free and fair elections. As we speak today, we have not decided. And that's why it's still about who can manipulate the system better.
Right.
Also, Electoral Offences Commission, I think even the first step of the review is INEC going back to the Waste report. Till date, we've been talking about Electoral Offences Commission. Since the Waste report, we forget in a hurry, the Waste report was 2008, 2009. And today we have not done anything. It just shows we are not ready.
Right.
Also, the electoral laws that we have seen many lacunas. We have started this 10th National Assembly. How are they going to review those laws? Are they going to do it?
My pipo, una hear wetin Rufai talk o. Na there I see analyse so matter concerning police o. Dey say na dem go dey persecute electoral offenders. Na here I see take give dem woto say which police. Anyway, my pipo, na the update wey carry come for una like dis one na say una reason am. Make una drop una comment for the comment section and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well o. See you all in our next video. Bye.
DJ AP. DJ AP.